Tired of unwanted interaction on TikTok? Take control of your experience with this quick and easy guide to blocking someone. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to block someone on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap the TikTok app and ensure you are logged into your account. Use the search bar at the top of the app. Type the username to find their profile. Tap their profile picture or username to visit their profile page. On their profile, look for the share icon in the upper right corner. Tap it to open more options. In the menu, select Block. A confirmation message will appear explaining what happens when you block someone. Tap Block to finalize your decision. TikTok will notify you that the person has been blocked. Finally, the user now is blocked. So this is how to block someone on TikTok. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.